subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme has launched its new affordable smartphone under Narzo series in Indonesia called Realme Narzo 50A Prime with a stylish rear panel design. Talking about the specifications, the Realme Narzo 50A Prime features a tall 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 600 nits of peak brightness support, and it has a large 90.7% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Uni-SoC T612 chipset, paired with 4GB of RAM and 64 or 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Realme Narzo 50A Prime supports a triple camera setup and a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture, plus 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture and a portrait black and white sensor with f2.8 aperture. For selfies, it has 8MP AI featured camera under the water drop notch at the top center. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with Realme UI R Edition skin on top, and it packs with a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.4 by 75.6 by 8.1mm, and it weighs around 189 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme Narzo 50A Prime has been priced in Indonesia for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 1,999,000 Indonesian rupees, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 2,199,000 Indonesian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from March 25th in flash blue and flash black color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme Narzo 50A Prime smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.